Welcome to Whippoorwill Holler. I'm Miss Lori and this is Mr. Brown. We live in the hills of Arkansas. We love the Lord. Keepers of the old way, but accept some of the new. We love to cook and we love to eat. We love to garden. It's in our blood. It's how we stay sustainable and fill our pantry. We do a lot of canning and preserving. We live a sustainable life. We love our family. We work hard. And every once in a while, we like to dance. So y'all join us.
Guess what? Paul Brown's back in the kitchen. But Sunday's Mother's Day. And we want to remember all them moms out there on Mother's Day. I'm making my wife a little treat. But the truth is, I think I probably like them better than she does. I'm going to make her a little treat for Mother's Day. It's simple, it's easy. Most everybody probably has had these, I'm sure. But there may be some people that's not in the United States that maybe never heard of them. We got viewers worldwide, and maybe you've never had these before. It's real simple to make, and I'm making some Rice Krispie treats. But I'm putting a little kick to it. I'm adding a half a cup of peanut butter. So what I've done here in my heating pot, I put a half a stick of butter. And I'm going to let it melt down a little bit, and I'm fixing on low medium heat. You don't want to scorch your butter. And then I've got a half a cup of peanut butter. And I'm going to put that in there. That's a heaping cup of peanut butter. Half a cup. Half a cup. Now we're going to let this melt down. And the other part of the ingredients is 6 cups of Rice Krispies and a 10-ounce bag or 5.5 cups of mini marshmallows. I like to use the minis because they melt down a little faster. This is already starting to melt down. Okay, so we got our butter and our peanut butter all melted. Now we're going to add some marshmallows. I'm going to go ahead and add them all. We're going to melt them down together. That was 5.5 cup of mini, or roughly one of them small, the 10-ounce bags. We've been getting a little bit of rain. It's about 8:30 at night. Porch windows are open and tree frogs are hollering. You might be able to hear them out there. I keep on stirring this constantly myself. You might let it heat up just a little, but then I keep stirring it. It ain't gonna be long. And there was a whippoorwill hollering, I believe, and I think I went and put the chickens up while ago and run him off. But okay, so everything's melted down. I took it off the heat, and this spoon's been buttered. Kind of help it from sticking. Maybe not too hot, I can hold on to it. I'm going to add a little bit at a time. I don't want to throw it all in there at one time. It ain't going to take it long. It's going to start setting up though. I'm going to put a little more in there. Fixing to start getting hard to stir. I'm going to put her in there and stir her up. I just made a mess. Wouldn't hurt to have just a little bigger bowl, messy as I am. this is supposed to be just a regular batch. You could cut down and make a smaller batch if you wanted to. Okay, if it's not too hot, you can use your hands to spread it out, smash it down. If it's too hot and you don't want to touch it, you can use the bottom of a cup like this right here. Measuring cup and smash it down. Pretty warm. All right. That's all there is to it. Simple, easy, and yum, so good.
So did you make me your favorite treat for Mother's Day?
I made you my favorite treat.
Well,
I probably get these, 3 times a year?
Maybe 2 or 3.
Because I tend to walk by and eat one every time I walk by them. There's something about them. I don't know what it is. I just really like them.
Well, I could smell them cook the peanut butter and everything, and it smelled so good in here.
One thing I didn't mention, I did pour them out on parchment paper. I buttered the parchment paper, and they turned out really good. I done got them cut.
You done cut them? You did.
Done got them after they cooled. I cut them.
I'll let you have the first bite.
Nope, they're yours. You eat the first bite. Any good?
I love the peanut butter in it. I like them with or without peanut butter, but I do like the peanut butter, don't you? Such an easy treat.
Easy.
And you love them.
5 minutes.
The kids, our grown kids love these things, and grandkids. You can't go wrong with Rice Krispie treats.
I mean, if some of you are wondering, everybody may not have access to these, but
well,
this is a toasted rice. It's a toasted rice cereal, and
some of the countries we got a lot of people in other countries that watch us, and I'm real bad about showing an ingredient, and sometimes they don't have them ingredients over there. So this is
it's just as Rice Krispies, but it's just a toasted rice cereal is what it is. And all it's got in it is rice and sugar and a little bit of salt and a malt meal in it. I mean, there ain't a whole lot in it.
We didn't say that this is healthy by no means, but like
I believe I've ate worse things.
But like Danny says, we only probably eat these maybe 2 or 3 times a year. It's usually a special treat for us. And of course, our grown kids love it when Paul makes a big old batch of them. You gonna let the kids know you made them? Well, thank you for making these.
Turned out pretty good, didn't it?
Yeah.
Crunchy, chewy, and good. Happy Mother's Day. It ain't Mother's Day yet, huh?
It will be pretty soon, though. Sunday.
Yeah, my mother's 92-year-old.
Mm-hmm. You'll be with her Saturday afternoon, though.
Yeah.
Spend some time with her.
Saturday afternoon's my time to spend time with her, too. So.
And maybe I'll get to see, maybe half or most of the kids and grandkids Sunday. Some of them live off, so they can't just, drive over, so.
They won't just willy-nilly down. Look.
No, you can't hardly do that. But anyways, thank you for making these for me.
Well.
I hope I've been a good mother for you.
Well, been a good mother to my kids, that's for sure.
I tried my best.
Now you're the mother to the great kids too. What do you get a chance?
I can't tell you how many Rice Krispie treats I made for the kids when they was little.
I know.
But it was a really treat back then too, because we really couldn't afford to make them.
Yeah. Box of cereal was a treat, wasn't it?
Box of cereal, we didn't buy a whole lot of cereal every once in a while. But, to buy everything that you need, it just wasn't always able to, to do it. So it was a treat for the kids. He will have half of this ate before the night's over, y'all. So
By the time I come by here, I'm gonna grab one.
we want to leave y'all with a happy Mother's Day to all of y'all, whether if you're a new mama or an old mama. We just want to let y'all know that y'all are appreciated, and anybody that's got a mama, a wonderful mama, and you're very blessed.
Amen to that.
So y'all have.
Can you not? Is it sticking to your teeth?
No, my mouth's full. I should have took a bite. So from our homestead to yours, happy
Mother's Day.
We love y'all, and we'll see y'all in a few days. I kind of put this one out before Mother's Day, but I just wanted to get it out there to you. So y'all have a beautiful, blessed weekend. Love your mamas. I know some of our mamas are gone, but we can still celebrate them.
Absolutely.
These are really good.
They're really good. Y'all make you some Rice Krispie treats. Send them to me in the mail. No, not really. I don't need them.
You'll have to save some of these. I know you're going to have one grandkid over here this weekend.
Mm-hmm.
And she loves them. And you're probably going to give one to her mama, too.
And her mama. And my other daughter, she's around.
Mm-hmm. Whoever's around. I guarantee you.
I only need this much.
I guarantee you there won't be that much left.
They won't. Tonight, there won't be a lot.